My name is Agrima Kapoor. I am a resident of Dharamshala. I scored 597 in the first attempt of NEET. I scored 350 out of 360 in biology, 132 out of 180 in chemistry, and 115 out of 180 in physics. I took weekend coachings in class +1 from SC Academy Dharamshala. There used to be physics, chemistry and biology competition classes every weekend, and in class 12th, because of lockdown, I could not go to the academy, but the academy's chemistry teacher Vishal sir used to teach me online, and he taught me class 12th chemistry from the beginning. He's a very good teacher and he changed my approach of studying science. I study science in a different way now. Rather than mugging up all the concepts, I try to find out the reason behind everything. My parents are also doctors. My father is Dr. Dheeraj Kapoor. My mother is Dr. Anupma. I started my NEET preparation in class +1, and I had a great support of my parents, my teachers, and also God's blessings. And I would also say that my parents were very supportive. They were never of the kind that they would ask me to keep studying all the time. They asked me to attend parties, dinners and functions, and they never pressurized me or never haunted me with the thought if you could not clear the exam. And I think every parent should be like that. And I did intense hard work for 2 years, and I was very sure about the fact that I will not drop. And I think this was a major driving force which made me get a good score in NEET 2021. I focused on NCERT mainly, and my good score in biology is mainly because of NCERT. The paper was purely NCERT based in case of biology, and I lost 10 marks in biology only because of my own silly mistakes, and it was completely NCERT based. And I think solving mock papers is one of the major factor which makes you get a good score, and merely studying the theory and thinking that you know the subject is not enough. It's the mock test which makes you realize where you stand and how much more you need. I would like to thank my teachers, I would like to thank my parents, and I would also like to thank God because He supported me during the day of exam. I was very lucky to get good invigilators and a good center, and I think if you work hard, all the factors are in your favor, and you can do well if you are dedicated towards achieving something. Thank you.